Mango pickle. Mango pickle is the king of all Indian and Pakistani pickles. It originated in the Indian subcontinent centuries ago when people needed to preserve the seasonal abundance of raw mangoes. Made with firm green mangoes, mustard oil, and a mix of spices like fenugreek, mustard seeds, and red chili. It has a bold, tangy, spicy, and slightly sour taste with a crunchy texture. You will find it served with flatbread, stuffed flatbread, lentils rice, or any simple meal to add extra flavor. It is rich in antioxidants, help with digestion, act as a natural probiotic when traditionally fermented, and provides vitamin A and C. The key point is that it brings the perfect balance of heat that makes every bite exciting. Lemon pickle. Lemon pickle has roots in ancient Ayurvedic traditions of India where lemons have been used for over 3000 years for preservation and health. Small lemons or limes are cut, mixed with salt, spices, and mustard oil, then left to mature in the sun. It delivers a bright, sour, tangy, and mildly spicy flavor with soft yet chewy pieces. It pairs beautifully with rice, lentil curry, yogurt, or even as a quick snack with flatbread. Thanks to high vitamin C, it boosts immunity, aids digestion by stimulating enzymes. The key point is that just a simple spoonful can brighten up any meal with helping your body fight infections. Green chili pickle. Green chili pickle is especially popular in North India and Pakistan, particularly in regions like Rajasthan and Punjab. Fresh green chilies are slit, stuffed with spices, and preserved in mustard oil. It has a sharp, fiery, tangy, and crunchy taste that gives a real kick. People enjoy it with stuffed flatbread, simple lentil rice, or as a side with any vegetarian or meat based dish. It is loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants, helps boost metabolism, supports digestion, and can even act as a natural decongestant. The key point is to use it sparingly. A little goes a long way to add heat and excitement to your plate. Carrot pickle. Carrot pickle is a colorful and crunchy favorite from North Indian and Pakistani kitchens. It uses fresh carrots cut into steaks or slices mixed with spices and mustard oil. The taste is mildly sweet from the carrots combined with tangy, spicy, and savory notes. It is commonly served with flatbread, stuffed flatbread, or as a part of a meal with lentils rice. Carrots bring beta carotene for eye health, fiber for digestion, and the spices add anti inflammatory benefits. The key point is that it adds both color and a refreshing crunch to your everyday meals. Garlic pickle. Garlic pickle is loved in many parts of India and Pakistan for its strong, bold flavor. Whole garlic cloves are peeled and preserved with mustard seeds, turmeric, and chili in oil. It has an intense, pungent garlicky taste that becomes milder and slightly sweet after pickling. You will often see it paired with stuffed flatbread, biryani, or simple lentils rice. Garlic is known for its natural antibiotic properties, supports heart health, boosts immunity, and improves digestion. The key point is that it turns ordinary meal into something flavorful while giving your body a healthy boost. Mixed vegetable pickle. Mixed vegetable pickle is a classic combination popular across Pakistan and North India. It usually includes carrots, turnips, cauliflower, green chilies, and sometimes lemon or mango, all preserved together in spiced mustard oil. The taste is a perfect blend of tangy, spicy, crunchy, and slightly sour flavors from different vegetables. It is a go to side for everyday meals, especially with flatbread, rice, or stuffed flatbread. Being a mix of vegetables, it offers a wide range of vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants that supports overall health and digestion. The key point is that one spoonful gives you the taste and benefits of many vegetables at once. Cauliflower pickle. Cauliflower pickle is favorite from North Indian and Pakistani households. Fresh cauliflower florets are blanched or raw marinated with spices and mustard oil. It has a mild, tangy, spicy taste with a firm yet tender texture. It goes wonderfully with lentils and rice or as a side with stuffed flatbread. Cauliflower is rich in vitamin C and K, supports immunity, and pickling spices help with digestion and reduce inflammation. The key point is that it adds a unique texture and subtle flavor that many people crave with their daily meals. Turnip pickle. Turnip pickle is very common in Punjab and other parts of Pakistan and North India. Fresh turnips are cut into pieces and preserved with the same traditional spices and mustard oil. It offers a slightly sweet, tangy, and mildly spicy taste with a crisp texture. You will often find it served with winter meals, flatbread, or alongside meat based curries. Turnips provide fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support digestion and immunity. While the spices add anti inflammatory benefits, the key point is that it is seasonal winter favorite that brings warmth and flavor to simple home cooked food.